Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share my experience and explain the features that Bluehost hosting gives you, and based upon that you can decide if you want to use Bluehost hosting or not. So Bluehost I think is really good for beginners, and the reasons are WordPress themselves recommend them. They offer all the essential features that you need to create a website and maintain it, and it's all available from one dashboard, one billing system. So you don't have to register for 3-4 services, pay 3-4 bills. It's just one bill, one invoice, and everything is available at a very easy to use control panel. Even if you are a beginner, you have never created a website, it's really easy to navigate their control panel, and all the essential features are available there. Okay, so first you get the domain name completely free if you pay for the annual plan. Okay, so if you are a new user, just check the link in the description and you will get a 65% discount, and during the Black Friday deals and all, you will get even more discount. All the latest deals will be available in the description. Okay, so you have to just pay for the annual plan. You will get a free domain name, you will get free SSL certificate, which some companies still charge for, and it's really essential requirement because Google requires that. Okay, and also it is important for the security of your customer audience. And you also get a free custom domain email address. Actually you get 5 and more, depends on the plans. Okay, so like if you have a business or just a normal website, you need to have a professional business email address like support@yourwebsite.com or contact@yourwebsite.com. With Bluehost, it's all included in the plan. You don't have to pay extra or anything. Okay, and they also offer Cloudflare basic feature, basic CDN. So it's Cloudflare just makes your website a little more fast and more secure. Okay, and normally what you have to do is you have to register for Cloudflare separately on their website and then connect your domain and update the DNS records and everything. If you are a beginner, it may seem a little complicated and intimidating, even though it is easy. But so with Bluehost it becomes really easy, and you just have to click on one button and turn on or off. This is why I recommend Bluehost for beginners, because it's really so easy to use, and there is honestly almost no learning curve, because when you're starting you have to also invest time to learn WordPress and all its features. That itself can be very intimidating and complicated and overwhelming. So you don't want to add more to that with complicated hosting, email and SSL and everything. You need something that is easy to use and has very less or no learning curve. Bluehost offers exactly that, and at a very affordable price. They have all sort of plans, so depending on your requirement, if you have heavy traffic, then you can opt for the higher plans, and if you have normal traffic or you're just getting started, you can opt for the normal basic plan. But I recommend something in medium, because you have to future proof your website. So like you're just starting now, in 3 months your website traffic will increase, or you're expecting more traffic, then also you don't have to worry about that later or upgrade or anything like that. Okay, so that's why I recommend go for the choice or choice plus plan, and then basically your website will be future proof also. Bluehost has servers located in India and US, so if your customer location is anywhere near to that, it's perfect. The only thing I would suggest Bluehost to add is to put some more server locations, especially in Europe, at least one, and it will be the perfect hosting. So that's the only con I have, that they don't have a hosting in Europe right now. But still, you can select the location, server location which is closest to your audience, and they are in India and US. You can check the description for more details. And with this, Bluehost uses Cpanel. Okay, so Cpanel is the industry leader in the basic control panel, website control panel. It has been used for very long time. Okay, so if you have any issue, you need any tutorial, it's almost guaranteed that you will find it, because it has been used for so long that you will find some solution to your problem. Okay, someone would have created either a YouTube video or written an article on their website about cPanel features. So it's very easy to troubleshoot. If you have to, you can also reach to the Bluehost customer support for any website hosting related information or issues. So that's also good. And a beginner's request that they need to have at least a support option. If there's an issue, you can reach out to their customer support and they will help you solve your issue. So with the control panel like cPanel, it's even more secure, mature, so it's very unlikely that you will have any issue. Recently, a lot of hosting providers have actually started to move away from cPanel. They have developed their own control panels because cPanel increased their rates, so it has become a little expensive, but Bluehost is still offering you that. So you can think like it's really a good control panel to use. And everything you need to troubleshoot any plugin. You activated some plugin, your website stopped working, you cannot access the WordPress to disable it, you can do it from the Bluehost control panel. It's all available there. You can update it, you can check the security. Bluehost offers malware scanning, so they check all the files that if they are infected or not. They also have a WordPress core scan files option, so if your website gets compromised or you think, you can scan it from the Bluehost dashboard and it will check with the original WordPress repository to make sure that everything is clean. And they also have the SSL, and managing everything is also easy, which is crucial, that the navigation of the control panel should be easy. So Bluehost offers all these, and I hope this helped you in deciding if you should opt for Bluehost or not. If you still have any questions